Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing so well. And in today's video guys, I'm gonna do this drunk blush plus fake freckles makeup tutorial. I don't have any idea what title I'm gonna give this video, but yeah, this peachy, cute, younger and fake freckles makeup tutorial. So this is kind of like Instagram fake freckles makeup look. So guys, these days I'm so obsessed with this fake freckles and this too much of blush. This looks so cute, you know, even I can look cute as well. And if you guys are interested how I did my makeup, then please keep on watching. So for the delay, let's get to the video now. Yeah guys, I did my eyebrows off camera, and if you guys want to see my updated eyebrow routine, please let me know in the comment section below guys. I'm gonna do another different video because I don't want this video get so long. So guys, let's move on to the other steps now. Okay, first I'm gonna conceal my lid with concealer and of course blending out. Now I'm gonna take this orange peachy color from Morphe 35B palette and applying on my crease, outer V, and blending very nicely. Then next picking this peachy shimmery shade from the same palette and applying this lid area and this area, basically this area with my finger. I'm gonna take a previous color with same brush and giving the final touch up. Then I did my another eye and lashes off camera. Now primer, using the professional primer from Benefit. And for the foundation, using Maybelline Poreless Plus Matte in the shade 130, blending with my wetty sponge. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to hide dark circles and puffiness around my eyes. Now setting my face with this Maybelline Poreless Plus Matte Compact Powder. Of course, you have to set your makeup. And taking the same color for my lower lash line with this angular brush and blending that. And of course, putting some mascara to complete my eye makeup. So I'm using this bronzer, just a very less amount of bronzer because I don't want to skip bronzer guys. I am a bronzing person, so yeah. Most important, I'm gonna apply this Elegant Pro blush in the shade Just Natural, taking generous amount and applying on my cheeks including my nose, you can see, and blending that. I achieved what I want, so that's it. Using this Essence Glow to Go highlighter palette with my finger, just very less amount. Today I'm not focusing for the highlighter. Okay, most important part of this makeup. Now I'm gonna make freckles using this Elegant Pro contour kit in this shade medium with this small pointed brush, using very light hand and drawing random points on my cheeks, nose area, and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm just gonna tap that in so that they look even more natural. And of course more blush. This is the up close, you can see how my freckles turn out. Now for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Wild Child. I'm gonna apply here and just tap that, just tapping and applying, and yeah, this is what I want. And last but not least, setting spray, using this NYX Fini Matte setting spray. So this is the final finished look, guys. I'm so obsessed with this makeup look these days. This makeup looks so younger, so fresh, and you know, so cute as well. I am totally in love with this makeup look. So what do you think about this makeup look, guys? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, then please go for it, and also hit that notification bell as well, so you never miss my new uploads. And I upload videos like every Wednesday and Saturday. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay beautiful, guys. Bye bye, love you all.